Hey everybody, it's Miss Ciarto. I just wanted to take a minute to look at our Room 100 webpage and the Positive Vibes board. Everyone knows how much I love positive messages and giving shout outs to other people. So what you do is you just click on the Positive Vibes board and this will show up. And to leave a message, you can leave a message to any of the teachers, your friends. You can leave a message for yourself if you're proud of something. And you just click right here, double click, pops up, and you'll put your title in. So this one might be, let's say, Miss Ciarto. Thank you for creating this video to show us how to use the Positive Vibes board. The end. And then you just click off of it and there it is. So I'd like everyone to leave at least one of these this week. And if you have any questions, you can always email me.